My name is Inbal Becker-Reshef, and I use cameras on satellites to see what is growing on farms around the world. NASA Harvest is NASA's applied sciences program on food security and agriculture, and our big mission is really to help inform decisions on agricultural sustainability, on agricultural market stability, and on food security overall. We all eat food. We all need to have food to live and to thrive. And so therefore it's really important for us to have ways of monitoring the amount of food that we're producing, to be able to anticipate how much food we're going to produce, where we're going to produce the food, or helping to inform farmers themselves who are growing the food, how can they grow their food more effectively, more efficiently. So it really matters, I think, from farmers to ministries to everybody. We're talking about our food production. I think the biggest inspiration is really to see the impact of this work and seeing how much more potential there still is for better utilization of satellite information to inform really important decisions around sustainability, around food security, around food prices. I grew up moving almost every 2 years of my life. I live across 3 different continents. I spent probably a fairly formative part of my life living in Kenya as well. And I think one of the things that helped me appreciate is how diverse our world is in terms of our environment. I always loved science and math, but also had a passion for art. And so I always took classes in art, but I took also computer science and I took math classes and eventually decided not to go the art way and keep that as a hobby. There are always going to be challenges and they come in small and big and every day. And I think part of it is just remembering again what you're doing and why you're doing it.